Hello everybody, this is Cchadwicka here again. I'm recording this with Screencast-O-Matic, which I recommend. This video is about a website called Uphold. The HTTP address is uphold.com. It's definitely a Coinbase competitor. So let's go through the interface and see what there is to share. This website has about 30 fiat and maybe 10 or 15 crypto coins. Here I've got a BTC card, a USD card, an LTC card. We click on Add Cryptocurrency. And you can add a card, and it supports all of these. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Canadian dollar, Ether, Euro, Gold, Mexican peso. As you can see, there's a lot of different fiat and crypto cards on there. And that's mainly what I wanted to show you. I do have two-factor authentication enabled. If you don't have an Uphold account, or maybe you want to check their Bitcoin prices, then you go to this website, uphold.com/en/transparency. If you scroll down with your mouse, you'll find that Bitcoin right now on uphold.com is being sold for $9,042.39 on Uphold. It does have a $50 minimum transaction fee. I've had good results with the Uphold Zendesk. I'll show you that. Let's see what we here. Well, let's try Uphold support. There we go. And this is where you can sign in with your Uphold.com username and password. They will create tickets where they interact back and forth. Request. That's how you can contact them. And I definitely recommend them. It's a good website. I think it has a lot more uses than Coinbase. So that's it for today. Real quick, I could anyway. Check it out, uphold.com, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.